Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering trading indicators. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular technical indicators in trading, the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD is a momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. It helps traders understand when to enter or exit trades based on changes in the momentum of a stock, forex pair, or cryptocurrency. Now let me tell you, how is MACD calculated? MACD is calculated by subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average, or EMA, from the 12-period EMA. This difference is known as the MACD line. Now let's discuss various components of MACD in brief. 1. MACD line. The MACD line is the heart of the indicator. It fluctuates above and below a zero line, indicating bullish and bearish momentum. When the MACD line is above zero, it suggests that the short-term EMA is above the long-term EMA, indicating upward momentum. Conversely, when the MACD line is below zero, it indicates downward momentum. 2. Signal line. The signal line is a 9-period EMA of the MACD line. It serves as a trigger for buy and sell signals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal. When it crosses below, it's a bearish signal. 3. Histogram. The histogram represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. It visually shows the strength of the momentum. Positive values indicate bullish momentum, while negative values indicate bearish momentum. Let's look at an example on a chart to see how these components work together. You can see the MACD line, signal line, and histogram. To recap, the MACD is a powerful tool that helps traders identify changes in momentum and potential buy and sell signals. By understanding its components, the MACD line, signal line, and histogram, you can better interpret market movements and make informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next video.